Hey guys, we are here at the 2018 Spring Miyazawa Show, and we've got a huge lineup of figures to look at, starting off with Aoshima.
Yeah, and they're really colourful and nice figures, I think. Are they scantily clad?
And stay tuned to the end of the episode where we will announce the winner of the Persona 5 Futaba Sakura figure.
Yeah, and stay tuned for things like Good Smile and MegaHouse, you know, scattered them around.
All the good stuff.
Yeah. So
we're not going to talk a whole lot about each individual item because there's just so much to look at and we just want to watch and enjoy. But we'll try to name off the manufacturers as we go. So next up, we are at the Altar booth. And of course, they have their lovely Idolmaster figures, as well as some free ones, which are kind of a combo between Hobby Stock and Altar. In addition to the figures, Hobby Stock also brought along some of their fun goods.
Coming up,
yep.
Such as, I think a Pikachu.
Right after, there we go. Some really cute items, yeah, these are the best. This is from their planter series. So you've got just a typical planter as well as a watering can shaped like Pikachu, which is pretty sweet.
Are those flowers fake? I can't remember.
Yeah, those were fake.
Yeah. And here are some very random keychains shaped like iPhones.
Now, this is much different than like the last show, the Mega Hobby Expo we went to, because this is more just for like manufacturers to kind of get together and talk with their distributors and retail shops like HobbyLink Japan. So now this one, these super detailed figures are from Mame Gyodai's booth. And they brought several manufacturers with them, so you're not just seeing one, you're seeing a combination of several places.
Look at that, the Dark Souls.
That's pretty great.
They made an amiibo of that character.
Oh, an
recently.
amiibo?
Yeah.
Sweet.
And apparently this is the first time this model here has come to Japan.
Really?
That's what she was telling me. Seemed very proud of it.
I just love all these close-up detail shots.
Oh, you can see me in the background doing my tile.
Yeah, I had to dress up a little bit for this.
This is Girls and Panda.
Yeah, Girls and Panzer.
Panzer, that's it. Get it right, David.
Sorry, I think I tongue-tied you there. They've got a lot of figure kits for their tanks, so you can display them with the actual tank kits, which is pretty sweet.
These are model kits, right? Or are they?
No, this one's a completed model, but some of them are kits. The figure ones are kits.
The tank coming up is the Ghibli one that we did.
Oh yeah, so right after we get through the Girls and Panzer,
one, I should say.
We've got the one from the Hayao Miyazaki Dream Day Note.
Yeah, that was it. And there we go.
Yeah, here we go. The Akuyaku Ichigo that comes with the
finally built.
pink.
But if you make yours look that good, then I'd be very impressed. I mean,
yeah, this is
that's
amazing.
A work of art.
Of course, I mean, you can build it without painting it at all if you like, but okay, now we're on to Good Smile.
This is the best.
That's their new Motoroid lineup. These all went onto our website very recently, so if you go to hlj.com, you'll see these like on one of our top pages, like page 1, 2, or 3, basically. Their newest Nendroids, including, you know, Riza Hawkeye from Full Metal Alchemist, and then you've got
2018 Racing Miku.
Yeah, Racing Miku, and then the new heroine from the recent Golden Kamui. We've got Kizuna Ai, Overlord. So much. I can't talk about it all. Some kimono friends. Whew. And then you can see Futaba Sakura from Persona 5 there. She's still in the prototype stage, so no color yet. We've got the newest Zelda Nendroids.
Some Portal 2 goods at the top there as well.
That Guardian's pretty awesome.
Oh, it's massive. It's like... couldn't believe it was an Android.
And these just went up on our website too, well, a few days prior.
And we've got the old ones as well from Fortune.
Yeah, that released in January.
Yeah, they're still in stock. So.
Oh, and this one is brand new. They showed it at Wonder Festival too. Sully, so cute. And Mike is next to him, and they both come with a different version of Boo, which is just amazing.
It was very cute.
I can't wait to see these.
The other version of Boo wasn't there though.
Oh yeah, the one in the costume, the monster costume. So I really look forward to seeing the parts they come with and stuff. Then we've got Supersonico in her Racing Miku outfit.
That was really impressive.
Yeah, it's so big, right?
Yeah, I can't really give you an idea of the scale, but it was a very big figure.
Got some of the recent Figma there as well. We just passed the Alien. And there's Magic Knight Rare. New Miku. It's always great to see Miku.
Yeah, I did the slow shots of Miku, you know. Macross.
Yes, this massive Macross VF1. 1/20th scale. Yeah, Warhammer.
Nostalgic for me.
And this is Fat Company, which is also at the Good Smile booth.
It's Ram.
Yep.
I've got Ram on my desk.
The bride version.
Yeah.
Next to some Kankore, which always has a very impressive amount of armaments. We're still looking at the Fat Company booth. They've got some of their action figures as well. Now we've got Fine Clover, which I'm not as familiar with, but they've got some really impressive figures.
Yeah, they were very detailed.
I love looking at the gray prototypes.
Rem and Ram. In their bikinis. No, underwear, definitely.
These are also distributed by Good Smile, so you can see those on their page as well. Oh, this one's so cute. So this one pairs up with the Amelia school teacher version, right? Oh, and look, there's a giant hawk from from the Seven Deadly Sins. So big. Yeah, there she is, Teacher Amelia. And now we're at Kotobukiya, and you can see Gary Oak and his Eevee. Of course, sorry, that's Artifacts Green. How could I say Gary? It's the game versions.
Oh, of course, yeah.
I've sinned. Okay.
Well, I made that mistake when we did
Ash.
Red. Yeah.
You called Red Ash. Yeah, it's so easy to do because that's what they're modeled after.
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
Like they took. Oh, look! There's 02 from Darling in the Franxx, the most recent Studio Trigger animation. She has a really cool design. It's hard to tell with the black and white, but oh, and look, there's from the newest Sword Art Online series.
Lindsay's a big fan of Sword Art Online, aren't you?
I like Darling in the Franxx a lot. We've got more of their Kuposh from Idol Master. I really like their Kuposh line, but they don't come out very often. I really hope someday they'll make Tails Kuposh figures because Good Smile has not made any Nendoroids, you know? Somebody's got to get on that. Tails has so many characters they can work with.
Hopefully they're listening.
Please listen. There's their frame arm collection, frame arms, including the recent Miku, which is really cool. I think they called her Frame Musical Girl. This is pretty sweet as well, the Iron Giant.
He had his own table.
Was it?
Or Evangelion. And those weird, the things that
the chairs,
not
the
sat
art.
on or something. I don't know what the hell they are.
Yeah, now we're at the Union Creative booth. But this one's by Kaiyodo. It just said they're kind of like together at this booth. The Union Creative stuff were those weird looking chairs from the art museum. What were they? The chairs that can't be sat on or something?
Yeah, I think so.
There's some really cute Cardcaptor Sakura plushies and pouches and keychains, as well as 7 Deadly Sins and Boku no Hero Academia. And I don't know why I just said that one in Japanese and the rest in English. My Hero Academia. There we go.
That's when you know you've been here too long. Japanese starts slipping out.
Oh, and here's A-Zone. They've got their 1/3 scale dolls on display. They're really huge, right?
They really are big. I should have put my hand up just to show you like how big they are. And these were so detailed. I mean, from obviously Harry Potter. It's Flash. And some ugly things.
Hey now. Now we're at X Plus. You can see their gigantic series Charizard and other Pokemons.
Mewtwo. Ultraman.
They're really big. I mean, like, we really should have put our hands out in front
Well,
so you could see the size.
You can see the guy in the background.
Oh, true. And this is Plum, right?
Yep.
They've got quite a bit of Is the Order a Rabbit figures, which are really cute. Like, I really like the style of those. I have not seen that anime yet, but I should really watch it because I love cute series like K-On! Kind of slice of life anime. Haven't seen Domo-kun in a while.
Yeah. This is the Bandai Candy something series.
It's like the Bandai stuff that if you go to grocery stores in Japan, they have just like a toy aisle where it's like all these little figures that come with a piece of
like
candy.
One tiny piece of candy.
Yeah, it's like you're not really getting it for the candy.
It's just because kids drag their parents to that aisle and buy them.
But they've got some really cool stuff, you know, for how small they are.
Yeah.
They've got action figures, the Splatoon like clothes swapping ones.
This is from the Han Solo movie. Unfortunately, this is the Lando Calrissian version.
Really?
Of Millennium Falcon. The problem is, it's a kit.
Oh.
I don't think we can stock it.
Yep. I'm sorry, guys.
But those maybe still.
No, these are kits too.
Sorry, guys.
They're actually about to come out. They went up for pre-order a few months ago.
Is this Tokyo figure? We got onto that, yeah? Yeah.
I love their Kizuna Eye figure. She's so cute. I started watching her YouTube channel recently.
Oh, really?
Did you check any of it out?
Yeah, I did. We were watching it downstairs.
Nice. She's got a very like sarcastic sense of humor, so it's just kind of funny to watch.
I'd like to see the real person behind it. It's probably a dude.
No, I think it's just a female voice actress. Anyways, now we're at the MegaHouse booth. We've got their recent Pokemon gem figures that went up, as well as their what are they called? The Ocha, like the tea time figures that hang on the glasses. Those are really fun. I've got some of the Sailor Moon ones myself. And their desktop army. And of course, their ever popular One Piece line of action figures, the variable action heroes.
This is Revolve.
Yep, now we're at Revolve, and we also showed this figure at Mega Hobby Expo.
Oh yeah, that's where I remember it from. It wasn't coloured there either.
No, it wasn't. So they don't have an update for us on this yet, it looks like, unless they've changed the molding a bit.
But then you said earlier that some of them have got colouring now and they still decide to show them.
Oh yeah, so oftentimes at these shows, like, even though the figure's already up for pre-order, they'll show off the gray prototype anyways. Like, that's what they did for that Kuposh protagonist from Persona 5 we saw back a while back.
But as you can see, you can get an idea of what they're going to look like in the background.
Oh wow, look at that Batman. So this is from the Amazing Yamaguchi line, right? Like, you know,
They
we
were
did the
big.
Captain America.
They were big.
Yeah, they're big. And that Batman, I think, is the first time I've seen that.
This the Spider-Man coming up was just epic because he's got
Yeah.
like the spider web coming
This
out
is-
of his hand.
Yeah. This is up for pre-order right now, the Spider-Man.
So I filmed it making it look like you can't see the end of it.
Nice.
But it goes up quite a way.
And we've also got the Deadpool guys up too, both versions.
She's shaking. I'm not. My hand isn't.
We saw quite a few Fate figures today. There's so many variations of every character that it never really gets old, you know? Like, they have so many different costumes. I love it. We are just wrapping up now. I think next up is Remint, right?
Remint, yes. So the Pokemon.
Oh, after the Batmobile.
The Pokemon and Kirby, like
There we
terrarium
go.
and stuff.
The
Yeah.
terrarium collection, just like we showed off in one of our recent Toy Tengoku episodes.
Unfortunately, the real thing isn't there because he took them away. He was like, "No, you're not allowed to film them."
Right,
I was
even though they're finished prototypes, he wouldn't let us take photos. So sorry for that, but the pictures, I mean, do them justice, I
Yeah.
think. But anyways, shall we announce the winner?
Oh yes. So we've got to give away our Futaba Sakura.
So the winner of Futaba Sakura is comment number 69 from The Juice, who said, "This figure is so awesome. I'm delighted in how much detail it holds. I really wish I could win it." Well, guess what?
you won
You
it.
did. Congratulations.
So yeah, we'll be getting in contact with you soon, and always remember to like and subscribe. So Lindsay, where can you find us?
Well, David, that's a great question. You can find us on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. And links to all of those are on hlj.com.
Oh yes. There we have it. Wrapping up from this
From the Miyazawa
Miyazawa
Moke 2018 Spring Show.
Yeah, it was. It wasn't your ordinary show, but
Yeah.
it had a lot of stuff. And
It was much
hopefully-
more like close up and personal.
Oh, very close up.
None of the figures, were behind cases.
Yeah, it's. I couldn't really give a feel of how claustrophobic it was because I was waiting for everyone to get out of the shop. But there was a lot of people there. But yeah, anyway, so we'll wrap it up there and catch us next time.
See ya
See ya.
next week.
Goodbye.